Hey guys, what's up? It's another tutorial on the servers. So today it's going to be the Siren Pack on how to install that. So I've got the GTA 5 new sounds, which should be the one you get. You'll have you won't have that, and you won't have those. I've used this file for other stuff. You will also have Archive Fix in there. So you're going to want to drag these to your desktop. With Archive Fix, so all of those to your desktop. So you should come out with these three files. So with Archive Fix, you're just going to leave everything like that in the file. Just leave everything like that. So you're going to want OpenIV ready. So I'm going to drag this to my side with my. We'll do that in a minute. But you're going to want these two files. These are the ones you're going to need. So what you're going to want to do first is you're going to want to drag these two into this folder, and one by one drag them into Archive Fix, and it should already be encrypted because I did that for you guys. But if it isn't encrypted, then you just did it for yourself. So you're going to want to open OpenIV and go to 64 Audio SFX. So you'll go to here. I'm not going to do it because I've updated mine even further than you guys. So you're going to want to hit edit mode. You want to go ahead and click delete. Then you're going to want to grab this, replace both of them in a, you'll delete resident.rpf and streamed vehicles granular. Because this one is for custom car sounds and the resident is for custom siren sounds. So you're going to want those two replaced. Once you've done that, just to make sure it worked, you're going to want to go to vehicles.awc. Scroll on down to sirens. And there you go, you can hear what the sirens sound like. There should be some more. They might have got cut off, I'm not 100% sure. But you've got Siren 1 and the rest I'll show you in game. So as you can see, I'm in my game ready to test out what these sirens are going to sound like for you guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and do /volcop. And that gives you the uniform and weapons. And then do /volcop car and you'll be given the volunteer officer car. So if you listen here, and the horn is been replaced with the siren so that it complies with New York regulations. So if you can hear the difference, this is the siren. And then this is the horn. Hope you guys enjoyed that tutorial on how to add the Siren Pack. Just before I end this off, I'm going to show you guys the custom engine sounds because some of them are pretty nice. So I'm going to go with my favourite, the Nissan GTR. So if you guys want to hear the turbo, you can hear that little turbo sound. Also the custom backfires. So as I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'm going to leave it here so you guys can get role playing, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.